Welcome to my YouTube channel. I make DIY videos. Please do like this video as we continue. Thank you. So from the title, I know you already know what this video is all about. Let's just assume that these pieces of papers here are the cardboard we're going to use, because I didn't film when I was doing that. So these are the measurements. These are the sizes I'm going to use for mine. You can choose to use whatever size that pleases you. So the bigger one, you need two of those, and the smaller one, you also need two of those. Then you glue the two together, make it one. This is so that it will be strong. So when you do that, this is what you're going to get. Ta-da! Actually, I used, those receipts you collect at the stores, at the supermarkets? Exactly. Never throw those away, because in DIY world, everything comes handy. So I glued this all over the cardboards that I glued together, remember? So to give it a more uniformed look, the next thing is to wrap your cardboard up with a piece of fabric of your choice as you want. Yeah, I used the hot glue gun to glue them together, because I mean, why not? It's faster.